Hello children, today we are going to start a new chapter number 4, the cop and the anthem of the book The Alien Hand, An Alien Hand. Okay, so let's start. Before you read, have you ever found yourself in a situation in which what happened was the opposite of what you expected? If so, you are familiar with the irony of the situation, which is often embarrassing. The story that you are going to read has a number of such situations. Okay, uh, it is surely you have some situation that you are expected to happen something, but it is happened the opposite of what you think. So in this story something is happened like that. Okay, some information is given here. Sophie is a homeless jobless man. Winter is fast approaching and Sophie must have a place to stay. Sophie comes to a decision at last. Okay, this story is about Sophie, and from the information we came to know that Sophie is a man who is homeless, jobless, and he had to uh, arrange a staying place for this fast approaching winter. Okay, and he decided something. Sophie moved restlessly on his seat in Madison Square. There are certain signs to show that winter is coming. Birds began to fly south. People want new warm coats, and Sophie moves restlessly on his seat in the park. When you see these signs, you know that winter is here. Winter is near. Okay. Sophie. In the first, at first we see that Sophie is sitting in a uh, in a bench of Madison Square, and with some signs he is sure that winter is fast approaching. এই গল্পটা হচ্ছে সফি সম্বন্ধে। সফি হচ্ছে একটা জবলেস ম্যান। সে একটা ম্যাডিসন স্কোয়ারে একটা বেঞ্চে বসেছিল এবং কিছু ইঙ্গিত দেখা যাচ্ছিল যার মাধ্যমে বোঝা যাচ্ছিল যে শীত খুব তাড়াতাড়ি আসছে। A dead leaf fell at Sophie's feet. That was a special sign for him that winter was coming. It was time for all who lived in Madison Square to prepare. Sophie's mind now realized that fact. The time had come. He had to find some way to take care of himself during the cold weather, and therefore he moved restlessly on his seat. Okay. A dead leaf from a tree fall on Sophie's feet, and it is a special sign, and by which he understands that the winter is nearby, and he was thinking about a staying place in this winter, and that's why he moves restlessly in his seat. একটা শুকনো পাতা তার পায়ের কাছে পড়লো, এটা হচ্ছে একটা স্পেশাল সাইন যে তার যাতে বোঝা যাচ্ছে যে শীতকাল খুব তাড়াতাড়ি আসছে এবং সফি থাকার জন্য একটা ব্যবস্থা করতে হবে তাকে এই শীতকালে। সেই জন্য সেই ভেবে সে খুব ভাবনা চিন্তা করছিল এই নিয়ে। Sophie's hopes for the winter were not very high. He was not thinking of sailing away on a ship. He was not thinking of southern skies or of the Bay of Naples. 3 months in the prison on the back Wales Island was that he wanted. 3 months of food every day and a bed every night. 3 months safe from the cold north wind and safe from cops. This is what Sophie wanted most in the world. Okay. He not expected very high in this winter. He was not thinking about sailing on a ship or or thinking about the southern skies or Bay of Naples. He only think about to go to a prison there, and the name of the prison is Backwell's Island, and all he wanted is uh, food, food every day and a bed every night. um, সোফি এর এই যে উইন্টার আসছে, উইন্টারে সোফি যে খুব একটা বড় কিছু আরামে থাকবে সেরকম কিছু ভাবনা ছিল না। সে কিছু বড় বড় ধরনের ভাবনা ভাবছিল না। সে ভাবছিল যে এই 3 মাসের জন্য সে একটা প্রিজনে চলে যাবে, যেটার নাম ছিল ব্যাকওয়েলস আইল্যান্ড। এবং সে যেটা চাইছে সেটা হলো যে প্রতিদিন খাবার আর রাতে শোয়ার জন্য বেড। For years, Backwell's Island had been his winter home. Richer New Yorkers made their plans to go to Florida or to shore of the Mediterranean Sea each winter. Sophie made his small plans to go to the island. Okay. By this line, for years, we come to know that it is not his first time. He arranges winter times at the prison. On later, the other richer people plan many things to spend their winter, but Sophie's plan is very small, and his plan is to going to the island. এই প্যারাগ্রাফে আমরা বুঝতে পারলাম যে সোফির এটা প্রথমবার নয়, সে আগেও এরকম করেছে। উইন্টারে সে প্রিজনে চলে গেছে কোনো না কোনোভাবে, এবং এবং যারা ধনী বা বড় লোক, যাদের কাছে পয়সা আছে, তারা নানা রকম প্ল্যান্স করছে, কিন্তু সোফির প্ল্যান খুবই ছোট। সে শুধু ওই আইল্যান্ডে যেতে চায়। নেক্সট, and now the time had come. 3 big newspapers, some under his coat and some over his legs, had not kept him warm during the night in the park. The time has come. There is no time in his hand, because he put newspaper in his coat, under his coat, and over his arm, but it is not enough to keep him warm in this winter. সে বুঝতে পারলো যে সময় চলে এসছে, তার কিছু ব্যবস্থা করতেই হবে। তার কাছে যে নিউজ পেপারগুলো ছিল, কিছু কয়েকটা কোটের তলায় সে রেখেছিল, এবং কয়েকটা তার হাতের ওপর এবং পায়ের ওপর রেখেছিল, কিন্তু সেগুলো তাকে আর সেরকম আরাম দিতে পারছিল না। So Sophie was thinking of the island, and there were places as in the city where he could go and ask for food and a bed. This would be given to him. He could move from one building to another, and he would be taken care of through the winter. But he liked Backwell's Island better. Okay. Sophie was thinking about his plan. He thought that there were many places in the city where he can go and spend his all his winter. He can go to the building to building, and they can give them give them shelter, but he prefer the Backwell's Island. সোফি তার প্ল্যান সম্বন্ধে ভাবছিল। শহরে অনেক রকম জায়গা ছিল যেখানে সে যেতে পারত, এবং সেখানে হয়তো পেয়েও যেত জায়গা বা শেল্টার থাকার জন্য এই শীতকালে, কিন্তু সে ওই ব্যাকওয়েল আইল্যান্ডটাকেই বেশি ভালো মনে করলো। Sophie's spirit was proud. If he went to any of these places, there were certain things he had to do in one way or another. he would have to pay for what they gave him, and they would not ask him for money, but they would make him wash his whole body. They would make him answer questions. Uh, they would want to know everything about his life. So I think that if he went for these places, he had to pay in another way or in other way. Um, if he want to stay that places, he have to wash his body, and they ask question about his life. um, he he do not like this. সো সফি যদি এইসব জায়গায় যায় তাহলে তাকে কোনো না কোনোভাবে পে করতেই হবে, এবং তাকে প্রতিদিন তার বডি ওয়াশ করতে হবে, মানে স্নান করতে হবে, এবং লোকেরা তাকে কোশ্চেন করবে তার লাইফ সম্বন্ধে, কিন্তু সে সেটা পছন্দ করতো না। নো, prison was better than that. The prison had rules that he would have to follow, but in prison a gentleman's own life was still his own life. Sophie, having decided to go to the island, at once began to move towards his desire. He chose to go to the prison, and have some rules, and he have to follow it, but it is better than the previous one. So he decided to go to the island. Okay. সফি এটা একদম পছন্দ নয়। প্রিজনেও কিছু রুল থাকে, কিন্তু সেখানে তার নিজের জীবন সে নিজের মতন কাটাতে পারবে। তাই সফি যে প্ল্যানটা করেছে সেই প্ল্যানটা সাকসেসফুল করার জন্য মুভ করলো, মানে উঠে পড়লো। Okay students, that's all for now. We will continue this story in the next class. Thank you.